we're getting ready to secure the sink top to the top of the vanity. And I use just a regular old acrylic caulking, because when it dries just like a glue, nice and hard. And I apply a fairly liberal amount, or I'm not worried about using too much. It'll just squish out underneath the top of the sink, and no one will ever see it. And we want it to be glued good and tight. We don't want it to come loose someday and be a problem. So, now we're ready to set the sink top. Try and line it up so it just drops right into place. And there you go. Now, we'll let this sit for a while so that caulking can start to dry up. And when we're all finished, we'll come along with caulking along the wall here. Caulk all that in and all along here. We just don't want water to ever splash down behind, or combs or toothbrushes, whatever. We want to have a good seal all along here. You'll see that the GFI plug is centered directly in the middle of the sink here, which I just like to do. It's a GFI so that if anybody ever tries to get a shock from here, this will shut off right here, right now, just that quick. And to supply it with power, you just push that top button in. Okay, now we're going to hook up the P-trap and the flex lines up to the bottom of the sink, and we'll get started on that next.